Hey, Assalamu alaikum. So right now I'm going to the market. I wanna buy something in the market. And today I'm going alone. There is no my uncle behind me. Actually, my uncle is working in the company and I'm going to enjoy in the market. I wanna show you something interesting today in the market. So let's go, man. The market is literally so far from the company. Man, it's gonna take 10 to 15 minutes to reach in the market. So what can I do? I have to walk slowly like a turtle. No, if I walk like turtle, so I'll reach in the market very late. It could be the night, it could be the dark. So I have to walk fast as much as possible. Oh, what is this dog doing here? Oh, he's feeling shy. I have came in the market as you can see. And man, I came in the market after 2 or 3 days later. Yeah, because I could not come in the market because I was very busy. Oh my god. If you hear the sound of vehicles in my background, please man manage it. Okay. By the way, I'm trying to capture beautiful and exciting moment for you guys. See, this is a beautiful market, different types of soaps in the market. But I'm not gonna buy anything from that market. Where I'm going? Actually, I'm going on the medical store. I wanna buy a cream. Everyone sleeps in the night, but this cow sleeping in the day. How this possible? I purchased this comb from this tiny shop. I wasn't combing my hair after many days. So right now I can comb my hair and I can be more cool now. So I purchased this comb in just 10 rupees. Yeah, this is very cheap. By the way, this 10 rupees can make me more handsome if I use this comb every day. Man, I can't speak continuously in English. But why? I'm trying to speak. When I speak in the public, I get stuck. I don't make mistakes, but I stuck. I want to speak English continuously. As you can see, people talking behind me. I want to speak with them, but no one is willing to talk with me. I'm still in the market. I wanna drink something. Yeah, I'm finding a shop of juice. I already know where is the shop because I have been here for the past 2 or 3 months. I know everything about here. So let's go on the fruit center and enjoy our juice, man. I was losing my energy, but now I'm here on the juice center. I'm gonna make my energy enough now. So here we are, as you can see. Let's throw it into dustbin and pay the charge. I'm gonna pass through a railway track. You can see this is railway track and the train come anytime. There is no fear. I cross the railway track. Now I'm towards on my way. The auto rickshaw is coming in front of me. This is my favorite and vehicle. As you know, I love auto rickshaw so much. Oh my god, this is a big drain. I wanna take shower in this drain. Man, do you think I'm mad like you? Woohoo! No, I'm alright. I'm in my control. Baby, I'm not gonna take shower in the beautiful water of drain. This dog barking at me. Even I'm not so ugly. Why this dog is barking at me? But why? I don't know why he's barking at me. I'm so handsome. Does dog bark at handsome person? Oh, I never knew. Hey, so I went to buy this cream from the market. Now I'm gonna apply this cream on my face. After that, I'll shine like a star. Yeah, man, yeah. By the way, I'm not so good, but I'm gonna be so cool after applying this cream. Okay, I also purchased a comb, and that comb I already show you. Okay, I'm back in the company. I'm back. Yeah, you can see I'm sitting here in the office. This is the worst office I have ever seen in the company in my entire life. Have a look. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I told you. Why don't you believe me? I told you that this is the worst office in the company. I think this is not a I think this is not a office. This is something else. But people informed me wrong that this is a office of the company. It should not be. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna stop here. So please subscribe. Woohoo! And subscribe. Okay, bye.